The Keurig K-Express single-serve coffee maker offers a sleek and space-saving design perfect for any kitchen countertop or office nook. This compact machine delivers the full flavor and convenience users expect from the brand without taking up excessive room. With its modern black finish and intuitive button controls, the Keurig K-Express single-serve coffee maker provides a seamless brewing experience for those who value efficiency and style in their morning routine. This versatile brewer features 3 different cup sizes, allowing you to choose between 8, 10, or 12 ounces depending on your caffeine needs. A standout characteristic is the strong button feature, which increases the coffee's strength and bold taste for a more intense cup. The Keurig K-Express single-serve coffee maker ensures that every pod is brewed to your specific preference. Whether you need a quick shot of energy or a larger mug to sip on throughout the morning, maintenance and usability are simplified through the inclusion of a 42 ounces removable water reservoir, which allows you to brew up to 4 cups before needing a refill. The removable drip tray is also a practical addition, accommodating travel mugs up to 7 inches tall and making cleanup effortless after accidental splashes. By combining a large capacity with a small footprint, the Keurig K-Express single-serve coffee maker stands out as a practical choice for coffee lovers who demand quality and convenience in a single package. Pros: heats quickly almost immediately, brews a perfect cup every time, simple and very easy to use. Compact size saves kitchen counter space, 3 different brew size options, includes a helpful strong brew button, features a convenient removable water reservoir, quiet operation during the brewing process, automatic descaling protocol for easy cleaning, fast brewing in about 6 seconds, automatically turns on when lid closes, safety feature prevents running without water. Perfect for coffee, tea and cocoa, makes pleasant and happy working noises, attractive and diverse color options available. Cons: unattractive holiday color options, tank shuts down below 10 ounces, effective capacity only 32 ounces, small water tank requires frequent refills, water reservoir holds only 4 cups, not ideal for high-volume users, must clean after making hot cocoa, only lasts a few years, internal leaks may develop over time, does not include descaling liquid features. Single-serve K-cup pod, 3 different brew sizes, strong brew button feature 42 ounces removable water reservoir. The Keurig K-Express single-serve coffee maker offers a sleek and space-saving design perfect for any kitchen countertop or office nook. This compact machine delivers the full flavor and convenience users expect from the brand without taking up excessive room. With its modern black finish and intuitive button controls, the Keurig K-Express single-serve coffee maker provides a seamless brewing experience for those who value efficiency and style in their morning routine. The Keurig K-Express offers a compact, user-friendly design that heats almost instantly and provides 3 brew sizes alongside a strong brew button for a customized cup of coffee, tea, or cocoa. While it is praised for its quiet operation, fast 6-second brewing, and convenient removable reservoir, the machine is limited by a small 42 ounces water tank that realistically provides only 32 ounces of usable capacity, requiring frequent refills for high-volume users. Additionally, while the automated features and descaling protocol simplify maintenance, potential buyers should note that it does not include descaling liquid and may face long-term durability issues such as internal leaks after a few years of use.